Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll be cooking my twist on a simple, tasty recipe using 4 ramen noodle packs, 3 eggs, and some chicken nuggets. Yeah, that's all we're using today. We'll start off by crushing the noodles. This makes it easier to combine the other ingredients. Keep the seasoning packs. We're going to use them later in the video. As you can see, I'm making sure the noodles are all crushed. Next, we're going to place the chicken nuggets in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes at 410 degrees. Now we're moving on to our onions. You could cut them in whatever way you like, whether you like them thick or you like them diced. I just like to be able to taste mine. Same thing for the bell pepper, and I'm only using a half. You could use more if you want to. Also, you could add more seasoning, such as the tomato or garlic, green onions, just basically whatever you like. Moving on to our crushed noodles. We're going to add some water to it and just throw them in the microwave. This only takes 3 minutes tops. Once you get it out of the microwave, make sure you drain the water off the noodles or else they will become soft and soggy. You don't want that. Once the chicken nuggets are ready, pop them out the oven, throw your pot on the stove, add a little oil, you can use butter, and just let the pot heat up. While the pot is getting heated, you can start cutting your chicken nuggets into small chunks. You don't have to use chicken nuggets. You could use shrimp, leftover chicken, beef, whatever your choice is. Now we could get our eggs ready. Then you could just mix them. Simple, easy. Once the pot has heated, we're going to add our eggs. Then our chopped onions and bell pepper. Just keep stirring it, mixing the ingredients in the pot. I almost goofed mine. It started to burn a little bit, but I got it. I got this. Easy does it. Now it's time for our chicken nuggets. Keep mixing the ingredients. Our last main ingredient, that's the noodles. And just to make sure the taste is right, we're going to use not all 4 packs. We're going to use only 3. If we use 4 packs, it'll be too salty, and you don't want that. Just mix everything together. To add a little color, as well as to help the ingredients to be mixed with a certain consistency, we gotta add the trusty ketchup. Yes, I said it, ketchup. Yeah. And last but not least, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure you mix the ingredients well. Look at that. For the moment y'all been waiting for, this is the end product. Easy does it, squad. That's it for the video today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment on what you want to see me do next, and I'll do it. Peace.